Hello guys and welcome back to Repair and Resell. In today's video we're gonna take a look at some subscriber donation in link with the giveaway we're doing, and I'm gonna make a quick update about how it's going the prize fund for the giveaway. I think it's going pretty well. We are at about $200 that we collected so far, including the $100 I initially put down. If you're wondering if I already opened these buckets, I do, just to make sure that everything is inside, and if I need to claim a refund, I would do it, making sure that I'm not late, because sometimes it can take some weeks before I'm doing the video about the item I purchased. Sometimes it's just because I already have some stuff here, or because some part just arrived. So here we're going for the first box. So here we go with a nice Xbox One controller, a D1 edition. This is actually the first one that was ever released. It has a Day 1 2013 right in here, and it has a nice chrome D-pad. With a bit of luck, we will be able to sell this one for about, let's say, 50 Canadian dollars if we are lucky. And I already see that it need a back battery cover. We have some in stock, so it's nice for that. We're gonna open the other box, see what is inside. And by the way, we also get a first money donation on the channel. It was of an amount of $10, and it gives the donator 2 extra participation in the giveaway. So if you also want some extra participation while increasing the prize fund, you can also donate a small amount. I'm giving 1 extra participation for each $5 that you donate, and all the money that you donate is going through the giveaway funds, and it's allowing us to become closer and closer to the PS5. So here is the other item that was sent to me. It's a nice on the character it's looking like blue, but in real life it's more like a teal controller. Now we're gonna test both of these to see what is wrong with each of them, and we're gonna see if we can fix them. So I'm plugging it in. The controller is currently being installed on the computer, so it might take some time. I'm gonna open the testing device while waiting. Here we go. Okay, now it lights up. That's good news, but I still cannot see it on the screen. Not gonna be long. Okay, now we're ready to test the controller. Let's see what we got here. Is it gonna be one of those controllers that are easy to repair, or is it gonna give us some more trouble? For the moment it looks okay. That's look okay too. Not that bad. On the RS sticks it seems to go well, also while pressed in. For the moment it looked good. Okay, I can feel it on the left stick. The left stick is not feeling right, and we're having difficulty to reach. Look, we're having difficulty to reach the bottom, but we reach it a bit slowly. So there is probably a problem with the joysticks here. Maybe a part is missing because, whoops, sorry, because when I going up I feel something is wrong. When we're gonna open up the controller we will see what is actually wrong. So this is it for the first controller. We're gonna test the other one. Just like that. Oh, Okay, so this one we already see that something is wrong. We're gonna test the button. That seems right. The view button here is not going well. You need to press it really hard for it to register. Don't know if it's the first time I'm seeing this problem, so it will be nice to fix it. And this one we are also having a similar problem, I think, than with the other one. Joystick drift. See, it's moving on its own. I'm not touching it at all. Yeah. So we will gonna need to take a look at this. And for the left sticks, this one looks good. Yeah, I cannot see anything wrong with it. So we have two problems on the blue controller. We need to fix some joystick drift here, and we need to fix this button that doesn't register properly when we push it in. So we're gonna try to fix these two controller in some other videos. If the repair are too simple, I won't show them on the channel. But I think that as this one, we will certainly see it back because it's the first time I see such a problem on the channel. So it will be nice to solve it together. For those of you who watch until the end of the video, I wanted to show you also some other item that will come on the channel. I still need to wait for some parts to arrive, so I don't know when I will feature them on the channel. But I actually bought this nice lot of PlayStation 1 and PlayStation 2 console. There is also a old Xbox console at the left of the photo with a bunch of controller that are all having some fault. I think it's the really first time that I will really go in the console repair, so it will be really some interesting stuff to see. And it's also nice to go in some older gen console. If you think it's a good idea, you can comment it down below. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and have a nice day.